Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohima. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. ColourPop, the main brand, along with all its other sister brands, have decided that they're not gonna let us breathe, okay? They're on our necks, okay? So since my last ColourPop video, I know that ColourPop has released a few new products. And today we're actually gonna be taking a look at a few collections, okay? Not just one collection, but like a few collections all together. So if you want to see what products we're going to use in this episode of What Now ColourPop, then keep on watching. ColourPop released, oh my god. Do you see this? Candyland X ColourPop. Candyland has collaborated with ColourPop and they decided to bring us Candyland X ColourPop, and ColourPop was gracious enough to send us the entire collection. This is the one that I'm going to use the entire collection, so then I'm not going to be able to use the second collection that I have to show you guys. I'm not going to be able to show you guys the sunflower collection in today's video as in me using it, so we're going to do another video. Fourth Ray has a new face polish, so it's a strawberry face exfoliator. Best to use this for your skincare routine, and I already did mine and I really want to jump into the Candyland collection, so I'm going to use this like in another video, maybe like in a skincare video, which I've been promising you guys that I'm gonna do more of, and I still haven't done it yet. Soul Body, which I just used the lotion of. So Soul Body has a body lotion and a body scrub, a sugar body scrub out, and they also sent new face and body bronzing balm. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the ColourPop X Candyland collection. Okay, it's a lot. I'm just gonna unbox everything, and we're gonna take a look at them individually as we're using it. Okay, leg out. Okay guys, so this is the collection, and there's actually also a board game in here, which was like very difficult for me to take out, but I do appreciate the board game. ColourPop and Hasbro, we're definitely gonna be playing this because you guys know I have a big family, and I'm gonna really try this out. I want to know what it's like. This is almost like Ludo, the way the tiles move. It's almost like the West African game Ludo, so we're definitely gonna be playing that. Okay, let's jump into the products that came in the collection besides the game. Okay, in the package that was sent from ColourPop, there are the cards that you use to play the game, 4 game pieces, 3 Super Shock cheek shadows. It comes with the Fourth Ray face milks. It has the watermelon, papaya, and coconut face milk. I have used the coconut face milk. I'm gonna use a watermelon face milk because it's pink and it's very pretty. Okay, and the Candy Castle palette. Ooh, yay. Okay, and a Queen Frostine Pixie Puff highlighter. The shades in the palette are actually very, very pastel, and I'm really not in a mood to do a pastel look today. So I literally just swatched Mr. Mint and Let's Chill. I don't think I'm going to swatch Peppermint Frost because of the shade that it looks like. It looks like it's lighter than Let's Chill. I'm sorry, ColourPop. What's up with this? I know it's supposed to be pastel, but sheesh, it's like too... There is such a thing as too pastel, okay? I can only take so many pastel looks a year, and I think I reached my max pastel looks for the year, okay? So I think I'm gonna go in with Little Ray of Sunshine, and it looks like so. So yeah, I will go in with this palette, okay?
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar. calling me a liar, trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus.
This is my finished look for this episode of What Now ColourPop. I started out with trying to use the Candyland X ColourPop collection, but I ended up using the Sunflower collection by ColourPop instead because the Candyland collection, the eyeshadow ended up being too pastel for me to even like try to work it, and today I just was not in the mood to go pastel. Like I feel like for me, even though I can use pastel and I can wear it, it takes a lot out of me to make it not look so crazy on. So I decided to just, not go pastel today. And that's why we ended up using the Sunshine Collect or the Sunflower collection. But I'm really not upset with the Sunflower collection because I have not done a yellow kind of eyeshadow look all summer. And with fall coming up, I suspect I'm going to be doing a lot of yellow orangey shades because that's like I love it. Okay, I'm embracing it. I'm like I'm a fall person. Okay, like I love it. Okay, so this is my look for this episode of What Now ColourPop. I am loving the Sunflower collection. If you were thinking about picking up the Sunflower collection, I say yes. Not so much the Candyland collection. If you are as deep as me, actually this is also the Sunflower collection. I feel like the only thing I used from the Candyland collection is the face milk, and that's about it. I didn't use anything else in well, that's bad. Yeah, the lip gloss I feel like it doesn't roll on very well. I'm gonna have to figure this out. The lip balms, the shades were too off, and I really can't recommend that you pick up the lip gloss if you're as deep as me. But if you're not as deep as me, I have a feeling the lip balms will work very well for you. If you're my skin tone, the balms, I don't know, man. But the Sunflower collection, I like the Sunflower collection, okay? The Sunflower collection is on my eyes. It's on my inner corner. It's on my waterline. It's on my lips. I really, really do like this collection. The Sunflower collection is a very nice palette. That yellow in there showed up very nicely. And I feel like it showed up as nicely as I wanted it to show up. The other shade I used to blend it out is this one, and that worked very, very nicely. And these are the only two shades I used in the palette. It's like, but yeah, The gel liners, the cream gel liners is what I have in my waterline. It's actually a shimmering gold liner. I was so tempted to put it as an eyeliner too, but it's very, very creamy and it shows up very, very, very nicely. I love it. I'm going to keep this brown and I'm probably going to use it to line my lips at some point. But if I do want like a not black waterline, I will definitely be using that because it's very, very creamy as well. I use the Bonsi Beauty lashes, a SEM. I use the JP Chocolates and Saharan blush palette, which is like literally what I use all the time. And that's what gives me this beautiful contoured bronzy look. Okay, if you're looking for a deep skin or a dark girl bronzer, check out the JP Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. I love the Pure Haze Mist. Like, it's what I've been using on my makeup. I feel like it takes my makeup to the next level. I don't know how else to explain it. Like, ever since I started using it, I'm realizing that my makeup is looking more flawless. I don't know how to explain it. It looks so good. If you need to pick anything up, I will leave links down below on what I feel like if you're dark like me will work for you to pick up from the ColourPop collections that I showed you guys today. And also I'm gonna put the links to everything else that I use that complemented this look. I'll put my press on nails info down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.